Hey, let's talk about the universal set that is there in our AMC. So basically you are going to get pots from the range of 16 centimeter to 32 centimeter. So there will be almost around 11 products, main products that you will be getting in the universal set. The first one includes 16 centimeter low. This is of 1.3 liters capacity. And 20 centimeter low. So this is going to be of the capacity 2.3 liters. 20 centimeter high, so this is 3 liters capacity. And then comes the 24 centimeter range pots. So this is 24 centimeter roaster, which is of the capacity 3.5 liters. And 24 centimeter high, which is of 5 liters capacity. 24 centimeter super high, so this is of the capacity 6.5 liters. We also have 24 centimeter hot pan, which is of the capacity 2 liters, and 24 centimeter Euratio, which is of the capacity 2.8 liters, along with 20 centimeter Secure Quick Lid, also 24 centimeter Secure Quick Lid. This is a 32 centimeter pot, which is called as the Primus. So this is of the capacity 9.5 liters. And did you also know that you will be getting so many free gifts along with these products in the universal set? So let me show you what are all those things. So this is some 20 centimeter combi bowl, 24 centimeter combi bowl, and 16 centimeter combi bowl. So basically you can store fruits and vegetables in this particular combi bowls. So it is gonna retain the freshness of the fruits and vegetables for a very longer duration of time. Also you get a set of 2 duet sets and a set of 6 AMC spoons. A idli stand in which you can make small triangular fluffy idlis. Serve your plate oval. This is of 34 centimeter in size. An audiotherm and the suction knob, which helps in easy gripping of the vessels. So this is all about the universal set in AMC. So eat better, live better with AMC. Thank you.